So SAP S/4HANA Fiori setting up SEPA Mandates for smooth direct debit payment. So for business operating within the single euro payment area, SEPA, managing direct debit mandates efficiently is crucial. SAP S/4HANA Cloud make this process straightforward. Here's a quick guide on how to create SEPA mandate master data using the Create SEPA Mandate app, accessible via your SAP Fiori Launchpad, the same place you find all your essential app files. Just like in the first video today. So let's go. So previously we have added a bank account into our business partner. That is a prerequisite. So don't forget to do that before to go to your um, idea of creation of the SEPA mandate. So the first question is why are SEPA mandates important? They provide the necessary authorization for you to collect payment directly from your customers' bank's accounts within the SAP region in Europe. So here's how an accounts receivable accountant can create a SAP mandate. So first, the entry point, log on to your software dashboard as an account receivable accountant. Then open directly create a SEPA mandate, or you can use manage mandate SEPA as you want. So create SEPA mandate. So in the first screen, switch application and enter basic detail. So choose financial accounting and enter the mandate reference. For example, start with the company code and your customer number, and the paying company code. That is it's not a rule but a good practice. So I switch application. And then I go, yes, I'm in the right, so it's good for me. Financial. Then I defined the mandate reference. In my case, it's KPC1, and I put the customer for to the paying company, and that is good. I defined the reference. It's not again a rule, that is a best practice. So I click on continue. Is the system will often pre-populate some fields. So then enter basic data. Are you ready? On the basic data tab, set the statute to 0, enter. Select the B2B mandate checkbox if applicable and enter the location of signature and signature date. So that I enter the information about first customer and the paying company, KPC, that is the first things. So I've got a first messages. Okay, I transferred them perfect. Okay, Everything sounds to be good. Okay, statue. We are in progress. Okay, and the next is the validity. So the validity is valid from today and up to the end of the years, like this. Okay, I define the payment type one-time mandate or a recurring using. So I will just define, for example, the one-time mandate, and then the location of signatures and the date of the signatures is today. So I define all the mandatory fields. So I click always on enter to be sure that everything is okay by SAP. So the next point, verify payer bank data. So on the payer tab, on the payer tab, ensure the IBAN and the SWIFT BIC codes for your customer are populated. This comes from the customer master data. So we go for the bank of the payer. If the information is not available, you just have to click on IBAN to select the IBAN. Okay, I double click and I do the same things for the SWIFT. There is no SWIFT. So continue. Then verify payment recipient data on the payment recipient tab. Confirm your company's creditor ID, name, address are correct or not. If the creditor ID isn't there, you might need to enter it manually. So for me, all the information are right. Last, save. Click Save to create the SEPA mandate. You will receive a confirmation message. Save. Okay. But it's not finished. I save my mandate, and if I want to activate it, I just have to go to mandate change, or I can show you also manage SEPA mandate. So by following these steps, you can efficiently create and manage SEPA mandate in SAP S for an Fiori, ensuring smooth and compliant direct debit processes. So I go to see an overview. I select again the financial accounting. Okay. If I want to display all the by statute that entered, I click on go. I check that I have two mandate SEPA in the system. So I select the right one and I click on edit. And right now I change to enter to active. And I save. Field Swift BIC must contain a value. Okay, we confirm. So save. Okay, I need to complete the fields. So mandate. Okay, I click on continue, payer, and Swift. I will try to see if I can enter directly code like this. Save. So I go back. I select to be confirmed. I go to the detail, mandate, change, active, save. For financial accounting. So right now, if I go to active, I see and my one-time SEPA seems to be good. I go back, I show you, edit, active, yes. And if I go to payer, payment recipient version, so it's good. So if I want to do the same thing for another one, under go, I select, edit, I go to pair, I put the Swift code, like this, basic data, active, and I save. The mandate is saved and active, so I can use it for my sales and distribution flow. So do you handle SEPA mandates if you're in your SAP system? Share your experiences or any tips you might have in the comment of this video. Thank you so much.